Hi and welcome to the short tutorial. In this video I will show you how to make shortcuts on the Snapchat. So if you want to create shortcut on the Snapchat, watch this video till the end and you have to follow the same procedure. And if this video really helps you out, do subscribe to my channel. So first of all, you have to open your Snapchat mobile application, log into your account. Once you will log into your account, you have to click a picture. Once you will click on it, now you have to click on the send to on the right bottom. Once you will do it, you will see shortcut option right here. So you have to click on the shortcut from the right top, and here you will see I have already created 3 to 4 shortcuts. And if you want to create new shortcut, simply click on the new shortcut, and here you have to select the friends you want to add in the shortcut. So let's suppose I add 3 of my friends in this shortcut, and on the top you have to set an emoji for this shortcut. Okay, now you have to click from here and click on the create shortcut. Once you will do it, now your shortcut is created. So this is the procedure to create a shortcut. Hope this video will helpful for you. If you have any question, you can ask me in the comment section, and don't forget to subscribe my channel. Thank you.